Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. It is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. To enter into your ChatGPT account, choose your favorite browser and open. In here, search for ChatGPT, enter to go into it. It will bring you in here after you log in. In most cases, there are too many requests from your side or from other users for ChatGPT to handle. Other issues may arise if you're using a VPN connection, browser extensions, or an unreliable network connection. First, make sure to clear the ChatGPT cache and cookies stored on your device. Click on the menu icon, these three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Now select Settings. Under Privacy and Security, you will see Cookies and Other Site Data. Click on it. Scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for OpenAI and delete the stored site cookies. If the problem persists, disable some browser extensions. Click on the extensions icon. Now select On Manage Extensions. A list of enabled and disabled browser extensions will appear. Disable all extensions and reload the chat.openai.com website to see if that chat is working correctly. Identify the problem extension. If you can chat and get responses, re-enable one browser extension at a time to identify which one is causing the issue. Ensure also that you have a stable and reliable network connection. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it to see if it resolves the issue. Yeah, that's how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.